Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add the widget on the lock screen of your iPhone. So if you want to add the Locket widget on the lock screen of your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket widget app on the device. So if you have not installed, then you want to be able to keep it on the lock screen itself. So after installing and after creating the account on the Locket widget, you make sure that you are already on this customization page on the lock screen itself. So to do so, you just need to long press on the lock screen itself and you just need to verify your face ID or enter the passcode for your iPhone, and from here you just need to click on the option of plus icon at the very bottom right, and from here you will be able to add photos or videos and all of it. Select the photo or video, so you'll see the option of add widget which is below the time and all of it. So click on it and this is the widget page where you will see the number of widgets. So you just need to scroll down until you see the option of Locket widgets. So here it is. So to add the Locket widget on a lock screen, the option is not available yet, so there it shows the option of coming soon. So you may simply tap on it and this is how you can keep the Locket widget on the lock screen itself. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.